What's going on, man? How y'all doing? So this is a little upgrade I did to the Cyberbike because it came with the Wolf brand or whatever these generic brand by Cyberbike. That company, it came with that it's like a podium fork in the front. So I switched out to the RockShox Gold. 15 by 110 mil compatible. It's a lot better of a fork. You got your air right there, and the compression. Let's see. Do I have it full open? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 to lock out on there, and it's just a lot better. The fork it came with, you can get one of these, or I think a higher spec RockShox on if you pay a little bit more money on the Cyberbike. But I got this shock air fork, whatever, for what did I get it for? $100. They're having a sale on Jensen. I don't like this quick release lever. See how it moves around, even, and it's tightened down. Like, see, axle's all the way tightened. That thing's, that's, see, watch. I don't like that. That's not cool how it does that. But maybe I have it. I could just be me. I could just have it tightened wrong. Who freaking knows? That's why I put blue Loctite. But anyways, this fork is a lot better. It's not as good as the Fox 36 Rhythm that I put on here before. But then I got the Marin Bike Alpine Trail E1, and I put the Fox fork on there because that's basically my mountain bike. This is just if I want to cruise around because it's got the throttle on there. So yeah, I would suggest, at least getting a RockShox or put a Fox or something on here. This isn't bad for $100, $110, whatever it was with shipping. It's better than the fork that came on it. And the other problem I've been having is in here, I took this apart, and down in here where your wires are, somebody did not solder them together. They just put like a wire, like a electrician's wire cap type thing on there and twist them together. So I'm gonna have to take that apart, solder it. Yeah, it's okay. It's okay bike. It definitely doesn't have as many Newton meters as they claim when they say 105 or whatever. I would be surprised if you were getting 70 realistically out of this bike. Because the Marin's rated 85 Newton meters, and it smokes this thing. Like, if the Marin had a throttle, it would blow this bike out of the water. So, I don't know. Their rating system sucks. I don't know why they did the weird wiring in there, but it's a decent bike. Like, the brakes are pretty good, the frame's good. The motor, I haven't had any problems. It just doesn't have a lot of power and weird wiring to it. And definitely gonna have to get some better tires. I think I am gonna keep this bike and just throw like a Bafang setup or something in there. But anyways, I'm on part of the Canal Trail from the top, if you wanted to know what it looks like. And you go down through there. I'm in the big meadow part, and been screwing around down here. But that's the update over here on the Cyberbike. So hope y'all have a good day.